How to fix WhatsApp not downloading medias. If you're having downloading problems, then make sure to check your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Also, you can switch between different networks to see if that works. Another important thing that you need to check is your storage. Your storage might be full. That may cause problem on downloading medias. Open settings on your device and go to the search bar on the top. On the search bar, type in storage. Click on the first option storage to open it and make sure that your device has enough storage to download medias. If there are any unnecessary medias, then consider deleting them. In your settings, scroll down and click on the option apps. Inside apps, go to the search bar on the top and search for WhatsApp. Click on the WhatsApp option to open it. Inside WhatsApp, if you scroll down, then under the section usage, you should see the option mobile data. Click on mobile data. Inside mobile data, make sure that the option allow background data usage is turned on. Open WhatsApp app on your device and click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. Now select the option settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down and click on storage and data. At the bottom, you should see a section for media auto download. Select when connected on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have selected all the necessary categories. That's all for today. Thank you.